Okay, so I got a new mic set up and I want to see how good it is compared to my other little mic, the little clip-on mic, Lavalier Boya M1. I don't know what this one's called, but it looks kind of like a podcast mic. So I borrowed this from my sister. Anyway, so I'm gonna do a quick tutorial and just gonna see how good the audio is. This is one of my first projects that I learned when I learned Python. It is learning how to make a QR code for like a website or whatever you want. So I'm gonna make a QR code for my YouTube channel. Go ahead and see if I can move this bar. Yeah, so open up your IDE. I use a VS Code just because I like the prediction. It like predicts what you think. It predicts the syntax for you. And I also like how it's free and easy to use. So I guess the first step would be to install the environment if you don't have it. So you would come to the terminal and type pip install QR code or pip install QR code brackets. Not these kind of brackets, these kind. And type in PIL for pillow. This will allow you to actually create the image. I already have the package, so I don't need to install it. Oopsie daisies. But that's how you install that package. And then come up here and import QR code. From image. Now we'll go ahead and define what QR is. QR. Oops, missing a D. Yeah, I also like that it does autocorrect. QR. So as you can see, as I'm typing, it gives this little suggestion. You can type tap or tab or just click it and then it'll insert for you. Version 1. Error equals QR code dot constant. Error underscore correct underscore L comma. Box size equals, I'm gonna say 25 and make the border 1. There we go. Now you're gonna let Python know where you would like to get the link or data for converting that thing into a QR code. I'll go ahead and grab my YouTube channel's URL. Drop your.make fit equals true. Image will be your.make fill color. And I think my YouTube channel is like blue, so we'll make it blue. And back color white. Okay, and then let it know what to save it as. I'm gonna call it YT YouTube dot and then tag it with a file type JPG for JPEG. There we go. Let's go ahead and run it. And right here, CureMake underscore image. Let's run it again. Perfect. It's telling me it's in this file path. So I will. And here's the YouTube QR code. Okay, just to show you how this works. There you go. And then now you can see my channel.